Hello and welcome back. It's day 25 of the 30-day Aussie English Challenge. Today, I want you to work out the meaning and see if you can guess it before I tell you. So I'm going to give you 3 different examples, 3 different sentences. See if you can work out the meaning of these words. The first word is whinge. Here's the sentence. He's been having a whinge about the weather all morning. He's been having a whinge about the weather all morning. What does whinge mean? I'll tell you at the end. Here's the next one. The word is stoked. The sentence is, yeah, I'm pretty stoked about it. Stoked. What does stoked mean? Yeah, I'm pretty stoked about it. I'll tell you at the end what it means. Here's the last word. Fussed. I could say, I'm not fussed. I'm not fussed. What does fussed mean? Okay, I'll give you the answers. So the first one, whinge, means to complain. So if the sentence is, he's been having a whinge about the weather all morning, it means he's been complaining about the weather all morning. Stoked. What does stoked mean? Stoked means pleased, excited, or really happy about something. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked about it. It means you're really happy about something. And the last one, I'm not fussed. Fussed. What does that mean? It means bothered. So if I'm not fussed, then I am not bothered. All right. Well, we're getting so close to day 30. I hope you stick with me. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.